Na nimeona pia wameanza kutabulate maneno ya finance bill. All I want to say is this. Kenya is a very democratic country. Kama kuna nchi hapa Afrika ambayo watu wanasikizwa na serikali, I am sure Kenya is number 1 in Africa. Kenya even making a budget the way we are making a budget. Next week, mimi nitakuwa Mandera County. Mheshimiwa Kitilai atakuwa another county. Because we are doing public participation even in budget making process. We come and ask the Kenyan people, what would you want us to do? Na tunaulizana maswali. So katika hii mambo nimeona ya mambo ya finance bill ya 2024. Ile iko ni proposal from the National Treasury. When the proposal from the National Treasury comes to Parliament, that is when the main process begins. So yale yote tumeona ni proposal. I want to assure the Kenyan people in the entire process of making the finance bill to become a finance act, all Kenyans' voices will be heard. And I want to assure the Kenyan people, this government is not hell-bent on overtaxing Kenyans. We want Kenyans to do their businesses without us bringing a tax regime that will distort decision-making in doing business.
Haya, na tugithii na mbere turakurehera ripoti ya mwanya ikiheana